Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the Roaming Delhiite. I hope all of you are doing good, and I also hope that you have seen my previous videos of my last trip to Kumaon. If in case you haven't seen it till now, please do make sure that you watch it. And if in case you like my content and what I create, and please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. I'm also active on Instagram. I have just posted my ID on the screen, so you can also follow me on Instagram. I do keep posting a lot of stories and a lot of photographs of my recent trips. Now coming to the main topic of the video, that is the accessories which I have installed on the KTM 390 Adventure. I was looking for something very minimalistic in design and at the same time pocket friendly options as well in the market. I did a research on my own and consulted a few friends of mine and shortlisted a few accessories which I found to be appropriate for my touring purpose, and this is just only for touring and nothing else. So now I would like to show you the parts which I've installed on my bike, and I will also tell you the price, where you can get them and which company is providing it. So all these details will be there in the video, so please make sure that you stay tuned. Let's go. I have some work. I need to go to a particular place to get that work done, and after that I'll tell you about the parts which I have installed on my bike. I'll go to some place which is quieter and I'll tell you about each and every accessory which I have installed. So let's carry on. I had some work at the biking store and I have got it sorted. So I'll just now describe you all the parts which I have installed in the KTM 390 Adventure. The first accessory which I've got is the screen protector for the TFT screen, and it is from Adventure Conquest. It was priced at around 1100 rupees and it's a made in India product. So this basically is added protection for the TFT screen. It also makes the screen completely waterproof, because I had heard a lot of cases where the people found moisture inside the TFT screen, which is again surprising as far as KTM goes. The second one is related to the luggage setup which I will be doing for my tours. This is a saddle stay. This is a top rack which is from a company called Motorin. Motorin is a brand which is actually also testing what you call a rally kit for the Adventure 390. I'm sure some of you might have seen some spy photographs on spy shots on internet, which literally people went crazy after seeing it, that they were thinking that KTM is actually introducing a stock rally kit for the bike, but then it is not a company offered product. It will be a third party modification. Anyways, so this is something which I had bought from Motorin, and this is absolutely a very minimalistic, sleek design which merges with the bike properly. And basically you can install this product on the bike without anybody's help. So, and the best part about this is that you don't have to take out anything from the bike. You don't have to modify anything. It's a straight away plug and play accessory which you can simply install on the bike. The saddle stay costed me around 1900 rupees and the top rack costed me around 2400 rupees. So this complete package costed me around 4600 rupees in total, including tax. And the product looks nice. The installation process is very simple. So basically just you need to remove these 4 bolts from here, the stock bolts of KTM from here, and then install the longer bolts which is being provided by the company. This fits in with the stock grab rail itself, so you don't have to remove them. And plus, if in case you don't want it, so you can basically remove the complete thing itself if you want. And as far as the saddle stay goes, so you will see there are 2 bolts which come here along with a along with a steel plate, and there are 2 bolts which come in the front which are near the rear shocker. So that's it. You just need to remove the 4 stock bolts, and then put the motor and bolts here. Simple. The third thing which I've installed on my bike are the tank grips. So these are the tank grips from Grip-On. They costed me around 1000 rupees. The usage of this is that basically when you're standing up, so you can easily grip the tank, and even when you're doing high speeds on the highway, so you can very comfortably grip the tank and you won't slip, your knees won't slip front and back. This gives a lot of confidence to the rider. That's what I have experienced. The fourth thing which I've installed on my bike is something very, very important, and personally I felt that it is very critical when I'm on my solo tours, and that is so if you notice, I have got the Kriega fork seal protectors installed for the front suspension. It is very, very critical during trips where you're going alone and there's a lot of off-road and dusty patches, and constantly your fork seals are getting hit by stones, and also constantly getting covered in dust, and that is when there's a possibility that the fork seals might get busted, and that will cause a leak. And in USD forks, the moment the seal gets cracked or broken, all the oil will immediately drain out and you will be stuck. These fork seal protectors costed me rupees 1800, and I bought them from Riders Planet, Ghitorni in Delhi. So these are the accessories which I wanted to share with you, which I've installed on my bike. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like it or not, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.